I ate one meal a day for 30 days and here's what happened. Ever heard of the one meal a day diet? I'll recommend you sit tight as I walk you through just about everything you need to know. The one meal a day diet restricts you to just one meal a day. In essence, you'll get to eat whatever you want, but of course, you can't go beyond a single meal. The diet plan is created to challenge traditional views on food intake and nutrition, and according to a few doctors, that could be the key to sustainable weight loss. I decided to try the diet plan for 30 days and figured I should make this video to let you in on the pros and cons. Let's look at the pros. As I mentioned earlier, the one meal a day diet comes with one simple rule: just eat one meal a day and you're good. There's no need for calorie counting, complex meal planning, or special ingredients weighing and the like. You'll get to eat all your favorite food. This is perhaps the biggest highlight of the one meal a day diet. You get the freedom to eat whatever you want, say sweet potato chips, ice cream, cheeseburgers, and more. Well, I don't know if you're going to experience this, but I discovered after fasting for most of the day I didn't have the urge to eat too much afterward. Fasting shrinks your stomach and makes you want to eat less. You can give the plan a shot and of course, see if you feel the same way. Cons. Hunger pains. Yes, this is clearly the biggest drawback of the one meal a day diet. To be honest, I felt hunger pains at first, but of course, it got better as I grew more used to the routine. The diet plan requires you to tolerate a certain level of hunger. This is the only way to start the journey and stick with it. I wouldn't recommend you try the one meal a day diet if you're prone to binge eating. Also, people who rely on sugary snacks to get an energy boost may find it hard to stick with the plan. In parting words, the one meal a day diet plan is clearly not for everyone, but of course, you won't be wrong to try it if you can keep up with the rule. After 30 days on the one meal a day diet plan, I actually lost a couple of pounds and I felt really good about it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more interesting facts on the human body and subscribe to the channel.